Hello and welcome to My Food is Made with Love. I'm Lolly Rupert, and today I am going to show you all how I make this kale salad that I came across. It's my interpretation of the kale salad. It's a fairly simple salad. However, I just looked at the picture of the salad that this raw vegan restaurant was serving, and I just tried to put it together the best way I know how. I haven't tasted their salad, but this salad is really good. I just basically built it around the picture and a little bit of the description that they posted, because the description of the salad is called a massaged kale salad. And they call it massaged kale salad because you really are supposed to massage the ingredients into the kale, into the leaves, and it gives it a lot of flavor. I don't have any gloves today, so I'm probably just going to be using my tongs to help me out, and hopefully that works. Anyways, so I have some of the simple ingredients over here, which are I have a red onion, I have some chopped, and the red onion is chopped fine, and I have a tomato, and I have a half of an avocado. I'm also using some coconut oil. I generally use olive oil, however I am out of olive oil, so coconut oil will have to suffice right now. It's still going to be delicious, so it doesn't matter. I have salt, and I have paprika. You can also put pepper in it to make it, taste how you like it. Okay. So first thing first, here's my kale. I'm using an organic washed and ready kale. I am going to separate my kale leaves from the stem because I'm not a big fan of the bulky stems. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I have picked my greens. I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to focus on the dressing. Let's call it the dressing. So I cut up about 1/4 of a red onion. I chopped it fine. It's very fine. Okay. And then I also chopped up a tomato. Okay, so the tomato's in there, and I diced up an avocado, half of an avocado, throw it in there, and then I'm going to add some salt. I would say you can start with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because you don't want it to be too salty. And then if you taste your salad once you're done making it, you want a little more salt, add some more salt. I like paprika, so I'm going to be a little heavy on that. And again, if you want to add some pepper, I'll go ahead and add some pepper. What the heck? Add some pepper. All right. Then add a little bit of your oil. I prefer, and I suggest, you use olive oil. So I'm doing about a tablespoon of oil. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, you can even put this in a processor, food processor, to kind of get it down. But I like to really just go through. If you watch my videos, I like my whisk to mash stuff up. I just go through and mash it up. It doesn't have to be super fine, but if you want it super fine, use your food processor. That'll get the job done. Oh boy. Ooh, some stuff. Look at the colors. Ooh, looks so good. Smells good already. All right. So now you have to massage it into the kale. Now usually I will beat this same stuff into the kale, but today, because I'm not going to be massaging it with my hands, even though that's the best results, I'm gonna use my tongue and hope for the best. So I'm gonna get my kale back over here, and I'm just gonna like gradually put in a little bit, about half of it, and try to get this mixed in well. Mix it in really good. You kind of want the leaves to all be kind of saturated. This is why it's good to massage it with your hands, because then you can mush the avocados in. Put a little more. This is a good salad to have when you're having company, or you know, like a little appetizer, or when you're just knocking around throughout the day in the house and you're kind of hungry and you don't want to, you know, resort to eating something unhealthy like I generally do. But when I have this salad in my refrigerator, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. I'm currently on a weight loss journey, and this salad has actually helped me a lot. If I'm being quite honest, it's helped me a lot. I am addicted to cookies, and if ever I get the chance, I will rather eat cookies than eat food. I will literally skip a meal just to eat cookies. And so that's not really good, especially because I'm nursing. So that's not good. So this salad though, when I have it in my refrigerator and I'm like, oh man, I need something, I need a snack, and I'm hungry or whatever, I'll get this salad, and it just tastes so good that, you know, you're like, okay, this is good. I'll just eat this as a meal, and it's helped me lose quite a bit. I would like to say the salad has contributed to probably 10 pounds that I've lost. I've lost a little over 50 pounds. I have, since I've given birth to my fourth child, and I have a long way to go, but you know, just, you know, a couple of healthy alternatives and healthy switch outs, healthy changes can go a long way. It really does. Look at that. Look at the color. Oh, it's just a beautiful salad, and it tastes so good. So now I'm going to just check the level of seasoning just to make sure it's up to par where I want it to be. So those leaves are saturated. My goodness. Wow. Wow, it's so good. So basically you're just going to continue to massage the little dressing that you made so it sticks to the side. I'm going to get something, possibly a spatula, and I'm going to scrape the sides to get it all in there. Look at that. And it's going to rest overnight. I fell into the other bowl. It's going to rest overnight, and tomorrow for lunch, this is going to be what's up. Scrape the side and get all the onions off of the sides of it. And then I'm going to let you see what it looks like from my view. And I hope that you guys enjoy it. And here is the finished product. As you can see, it's quite simple and colorful. And when you taste it, it's very flavorful. And what this salad has taught me is that the key to a good salad is seasoning. Season the salad and it will change your life just like it changed mine. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope that you enjoy this salad. I hope that you are inspired to eat a little healthier, and I hope that this salad helps you along your journey, whichever journey that is. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share, share, share. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much again, and God bless you. Have a great day.